Good day, I'm Cody Ann Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. Economic Growth Council Chairman Michael Lee Chin says 66 of the 111 growth initiatives contained in the body's call to action mandate have been achieved since its establishment in April 2016. Mr. Lee Chin says this equates to a completion rate of 59% of the Council's targets focused on repositioning Jamaica to achieve 5% economic growth in 4 years. Speaking at the Economic Growth Council's 5th quarterly briefing at Jamaica House on Wednesday, Mr. Lee Chin said notable among the successes are the National Security Minister's rollout of the Jamaica Eye National CCTV Surveillance Initiative in March, the redeployment of police resources to high crime areas, the National Housing Trust's rollout of microfinancing for housing solutions targeting low-income earners, and Parliament's passage of the Procurement Act and regulations. The EGC chairman said significant work has been completed in examining the feasibility of a global immigration card, adding that additional work is being done to fine-tune the reciprocal benefits to be derived from beneficiaries. He further indicated that a review of the technical and financial consultancy proposal to undertake a marketing study to promote the diaspora bond has been completed. Mr. Lee Chin indicated that over the next quarter, the Economic Growth Council will continue work to complete a cabinet submission for a revised investment framework for pension funds and insurance companies. This will focus on investment regulations, risk management guidelines, as well as supervisory and data reporting agreements. Caribbean Cement saw a decline in the country's profit during the January to March quarter. It ended the 3 months with $334 million profit, down from $460 million during the same period last year. This occurred despite Caribbean Cement's revenue increasing by 6% to $4.3 billion. Plans are underway for the installation of a vacuum distillation unit, which is the first phase in the upgrading of the Petrojam refinery. Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley revealed in a JIS interview on Wednesday that a contract has been signed for the engineering, procurement, and construction of the unit. Vacuum distillation is part of the oil refining process that will help to produce petroleum products out of the heavier oils left over from atmospheric distillation. The quality fuel produced from the unit, which has significantly reduced sulfur content, will be used for the bunkering industry, which is now a stipulation under International Maritime Organization guidelines. The vacuum distillation unit will also facilitate the production of asphalt. On the foreign exchange market, the American currency is being sold for $125.72. It's costing $97.54 for the Canadian dollar, $174.67 for the Canadian dollar, and $154.27 for the euro. In Thursday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 168 points to close at 305,252. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 50 stocks, of which 19 advanced, 20 declined, and 11 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 22 points to close at 2,962. Among the winners were Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Derrimont Trading, Elite Diagnostic, and Epley Limited. Stocks declined for Access Financial, AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cement, Carreras Limited, and Siboney Group. Stocks traded firm for Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Money Market Brokers, and Jetcon Corporation. NCB Financial Group Limited was the volume leader with over 2 million units, followed by Express Catering Limited also with over 2 million units and Siboney Group Limited with over 1 million units. News in oil. Oil rose on Thursday. supported by expectations of renewed U.S. sanctions on Iran, declining output in Venezuela, and continuing strong demand. Brent crude oil futures were up 59 cents at $74.59 a barrel, having touched a session high of $74.97 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas WTI crude futures rose 23 cents to $68.28 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.